Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to apply an e-visa for South Sudan online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I also want to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, more and more countries are migrating towards e-visas as they are very easy to apply and it's convenient for both travelers as well as for the government. And it's something that really boosts tourism because of ease in process, right? So South Sudan has also started this process. So now first let's check the eligibility that who can actually apply for this and what is the fee. So you can see that fee varies based on single entry. So let's say if you are from Canada, then this is going to be your fee. If you are from any other country, for example, India, this is also fee is same. That's fine. Now let me see for what is for United States of America. Okay, for America, wow. For single entry 160, it's higher for America. I don't know why. In fact, 6 months visa is not even available. Okay, let's say you're from India and you are here. So you're going to click on apply. So you need to have your account created. If you don't have, you're going to create an account. If you have, you can put that information and log in. So I already have it. So I'm going to do it and I'm going to. So when you log in, you see all the services that you can apply with this account. So for visa, you're going to click on this director of. Okay. So you click on e-visa. So you can see the steps. First, they have given some criteria that what are the documents you need and also under what conditions it can be refused. Okay. And visa processing fee is non-refundable that I have seen uh, most of the cases. And please visit any immigration office upon your arrival within 72 hours for alien registration sticker. Okay. So the very first thing, applicant details, very basic things they have asked, nationality and all. Second, they will ask you personal details, then passport details, professional, applicant contact details, family and travel history if you have, and then guarantor and uploads where you'll be uploading your document. And when you are done with this, you can pay the fee based on what you have requested because in you see that uh, they have like different kinds of fees associated with a different duration and entries. And then if approved, you can go. So that's how simple the process is, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.